Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number HAP-103-00. This is your single axle hanger kit for your 3-inch wide springs, commonly found on 12K axles, 15K, and 16K axles. Let's check it out. So, this hanger kit right here is everything to do a single axle kit for your 3-inch wide springs, 12K, 15K, 16K axles. And it comes with the 2 rear hangers and your 2 front hangers right here. It comes with the 1-inch spring bolts and nuts and your 1/2-inch bolts and nuts right here. And we'll just measure them out real quick. So we'll start with the rear hanger. It's going to be 5 inches wide. It's 8.5 inches long. Or if you're measuring it from the bolt hole, it's going to be 7 11/16 from top to center bolt hole on the rear hanger. And you put your keeper bolt right through here, and your spring is going to ride right in here, and it's going to just go back and forth like this, your rear spring. So you got those 2 keeper bolts go inside like that for your rear setup, and then you got your front hangers right here, and we'll just measure these out real quick. So the front hanger takes a 1-inch bolt, and this hanger is also 5 inches wide, and it's going to be 6 1/4 from top to the center hole on the hanger, or the overall is going to be 7.5 inches long, and the width of it this way is going to be 3.5, and these are weld on. So the front of the spring would go right here where the eye hole is on the spring. It would go in here, and your bolt would go in here through the spring, just like this. And that's your single hanger kit. So if you have a tandem setup, you're going to want to use part number HAP-203-2 or HAP-203-3 in conjunction with this HAP-103 kit to get your tandem set up on your 12K, 15K, 16K axles. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.